Okay, let's go. Bye. Bye. Watch this. What's this? See? Anytime he hears food, he'll wake up. Shame on you, Bentley. You just can't stay asleep, can you? He got that guilty look. Look. Dun, dun, dun. And back to sleep, you say, I go. Yep.